Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you just want to wake up and make yourself a simple cup of coffee, check out this Keurig. It's so straightforward that you could make your kids make your coffee for you. All you have to do is load a pot in the top and the lights start flashing and you pick the amount of coffee that you want, which makes it super easy when you can't function and just need the caffeine in the morning. The water reservoir is sleek and hidden behind the unit, but still really easy to see the level and when it needs to be filled. And if you forget and don't look at the water level, the machine itself will remind you. And cleanup is super simple. All you have to do is throw away the K-cup. It has a little catch here, so if you pull your mug out before it's finished, it's going to be able to catch anything that's going to drip. And this piece is also removable, so if you have a larger mug, you're able to fit that in there. So if you're a barista, that's great. But if you're not, you're going to want this Keurig to make your cup of coffee. And that's my point of view.